Alright, hey, this is Chris, and I am going to show a small tutorial on how to use Nano, which Nano is just one of the few or many ways of writing a script. I think this has maybe is the easiest way. It has been the easiest way for me. So very straight into it, you would just type in Nano. Once you get here, this is where you would write your actual script. So you would write out whatever script that you're going to write out. Um, a lot of these buttons you don't necessarily need to understand and know what they do. Just whenever you go and you start typing in your script and you're putting in your script or you're going to look at a script, uh, that's what I'm basically explaining. So now you have said script typed up. After you have that, you press Control X. So whenever all of these, what you're looking at, this is a symbol for control. So you press control with said button. So when I press control X, it's going to ask me, do I want to save the script? The answer is going to be yes. So you click Y. After you click Y, now it's going to ask you to name the script. So I'm just going to name it Nano Test. And after that, go ahead and press enter. And now it should be in there, which now all you would do is ls. Make sure the file is somewhere inside of there. What you would now do is say you want to open that file back up. Now you go nano, and then you would just type in the exact same thing you just named it. So nano test, and it's going to open that file right back up for you. That's the same thing with any other file or anything you're looking to go through. So for me specifically, I already have a script ran, and once you get better at shell scripting, you I forgot one of the things. So after you finish writing said script, you would have to make sure it's executable. So now what you would do is type in chmod, and then after that chmod plus X, and then the name of the script that you just made. After you did that, surely nothing is going to happen. Whenever you press enter, I don't think anything is going to happen. But then after that file is now executable, this is the command for executing. And then you just type in that whatever script that you're trying to run or whatever you're trying to run, and it should look something like this. This is a little game that I made uh, with shell scripting, which it's rock paper scissors but with anime. So you would just go ahead and choose a character, and this is all with scripting. I just made this inside. This is my final for one of my classes, but this is just a simple understanding of, hey, cool, this is rock paper scissors. I chose Luffy won because the computer chose Goku. But then there's a little spiced it up a little bit, added some little um commentary and stuff like that, and it just like that I made a game out of shell scripting. And you can always just have a little fun with that between you know learning how to shell script, etc. And that'll be it for this video.